Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Darwish Hazim bin Muhammad Izir, and my number metric is 23 DRM 25 F1055.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Hakim bin Sulaiman Najib, and my number matrix is 23 DRM 25F1021.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Muhammad Zizul Fadli. My number matrix 23 DRM 25 F1 039.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Takif Daniel bin Muhammad Tarmizi, and my number matrix is 23 DRM 25 F1035. So let's start with the first part, function of MIA and MASB. First, we have the Malaysian Institute of Accounting, or MIA. MIA is the main body that regulates and develops the accounting profession in Malaysia. It makes sure that all accountants follow proper professional standards and ethics. The institute also provides trainings and continuous education to improve accountant skills and knowledge. Another function of MIA is to protect the public interest by ensuring financial reports are reliable and transparent. In short, MIA helps maintain trust in the accounting profession. Next, we have a Malaysian Accounting Standard Board, or MASB. MASB is responsible for creating and reviewing accounting standard in Malaysia. These standards guide companies in preparing their financial statements correctly and consistently. MASB also align Malaysian accounting practice with international standard known as IFRS to ensure global comparability. In simple word, MIA manage to profession while MASB manage the rules of reporting.
There are three main types of accounting fields that I will discuss. First, financial accounting. This field focuses on recording and reporting business transactions to external users such as inventors, banks, and government agencies. It produces key financial statements like the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. For example, at the end of the year, financial accountants prepare the company's final report to show profit or loss. Second, cost accounting. Cost accounting is more focused on calculating the cost of producing goods or services. It helps a business identify where they can save money and control expenses. For example, a factory can use cost accounting to find out the cost of producing one unit of product. This information helps management decide on the right selling price. 3. Management accounting. This type of accounting provides information for internal decision making. It helps managers plan budgets, set goals, and make better business decisions. For instance, management accounting can help decide whether to open a new branch or introduce a new product.
Now, let's move to accounting concept. These are the basic principles that guide accountant when recording financial transaction. Material concept. Only significant information shall be recorded. For example, small expense like pen, paper can be treated as a expense instead of asset. Next, business entity concept. This means the business and the owner are separate. The owner personal expense shall not be mixed with a business account. For example, the owner personal car cannot be recorded as a company asset. Next, going to concept. It's assumed that the business will continue to operate in the future. Accrual concept. Transactions are recorded when cash paid or received. For example, electricity expense are recorded when the electricity is used, even if the bill is not yet paid. Next, objectivity concept. All accounting record must be based on evidence, such as invoice or receipt, not personal opinion. Money measurement concept. Only transactions that can be measured in money are record. For example, employee loyalty or skill are not recorded in statement because they can be measured in monetary terms.
Let's discuss the 5 main source documents used in accounting. First is sale invoice. A sale invoice is issued when goods are sold on credit. For example, if a company sells goods worth 500 ringgit to a customer on credit, a sale invoice is prepared. Second is credit note. A credit note is issued when goods are returned or there is an overcharge. For example, if customer return goods worth 50 ringgit, a credit note is prepared. Number 3 is official receipt. An official receipt is a given when a business receives cash from a customer. For example, receiving 200 ringgit cash from a customer will be recorded in the cash book. Number 4 is memo. A memo is an internal document used for internal transaction. For example, when the owner check goods from personal use, a memo is prepared. Last one is a check counterfoil. A check counterfoil is a use proof of payment made by check. For example, when a business pays 300 ringgit to a supplier using a check, this document is kept as a record. In conclusion, MIA and MASB play important role in using the accounting profession is professional and standardized in Malaysia. Different type of accounting fields serve different purpose, from financial reporting to management decision making. Accounting concept help ensure records are accurate, fair, and reliable. And finally, source document provide evidence for every business transaction.